Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I found this software which I find quite interesting, especially for FieldFox. When you're driving, doing the drive test out in the field, and you want to scan through a wide bandwidth of signal, for example, a 300 meg from 1.2 gig range. So instead of scrolling through manually on the FieldFox, so this software is able to help a user to scan through the center frequency as you set, and also the frequency span of your interest. So for now, this is where you're going to set up. So this is the IP address for FieldFox, and then this is the center frequency. So center frequency you can split into multiple points with a comma as divider. So let's say you want to scan through 1200 to 1500 with 300 meg on each point, each center frequency, then you can do that. And then this is the acquisition time, which is going to set on the FieldFox, and this is the persistence. And then I will attenuator preamp on because I'm using over-the-air measurements on the antenna, just using an antenna. And this how many loops I want to do it. It will translate to how many points you want to do it. Okay, and with the GPS on, you're able to plot it on the Google Earth to see what's going on. I'm going to show you later. Then also this CSV trace, I'm going to plot it out on as just a CSV trace data instead of the density. So once we're happy with all this setup, we just update the FieldFox. So this is a remote view for the FieldFox. So you can see that it's scanning through the points, and when it says ready, go to display window to start measurements. This is the display window. You just go to start, and you can see that because it's 600 meg from 1500, so it's from here. One thing about this software is that if you have a gap in between two center frequency, it still stitch it up, and I believe that is not being changed over the years because it's still under beta version. And you can see that this is developed by Keys Application Group. And so you can see that this is the use for the trace. If you turn on this trace, then we can plot, the software can plot this out here. Then density is just to show you how it looks like. So let's check on how it looks like on the Google Earth. So I'll just go back to this folder, and this is what I have. Okay. So this is my previous reading, so just remove this. So yep, so this one, the updated one. So this is how it look like when you have just imagine that all this point has a good locations, GPS X and Y locations. So if you have if you are doing a drive test, then you definitely be able to see what's going on at every point. And yeah, and again, to me this is a very useful software, and if you're interested, just leave me on a comment on how to find this software. I should be able to send you a link or something. Alright, thanks for watching.